Find Halloween recipes. It's October 31st, Halloween. You want to throw a party that could raise the dead, but you aren't sure what to serve. Candy corn and caramel apples seem boring. This year, you really want to wow your friends and family. If you are having trouble getting your creative juices flowing, then here are a few ideas to help find Halloween recipes. Start off this process by choosing a theme. If you are going to create a haunted mansion, then find recipes for ghost cookies. Maybe a mad scientist's laboratory is your ideal setting. Whatever you choose, keep this in mind when you begin your search. Next, why not pick the brains of your friends and family? Your mom might have a recipe for the perfect witch's brew. Or your best friend could tell you how to scare up some devil's food cupcakes. You may even be able to devise some new culinary concoctions of your very own. Be creative. Just about any recipe can be made for Halloween, you just have to give it a creepy twist. Why not turn an ordinary cake into a spooky graveyard scene, or make a lady's finger out of a ladyfinger cookie? The possibilities are endless. This is Halloween, so don't be tame. The internet is an endless source of Halloween recipes. All you need to do is type the words Halloween recipes into your favorite search engine. Literally thousands of sites will pop up, all brimming with unique ideas to make your Halloween party the talk of the town. Some of these ideas can be very labor-intensive and difficult to execute. Make sure that you don't take on a project that is beyond your skill level. Head out to your local bookstore and check the magazine racks. Many magazines produce special Halloween issues. If you have a favorite publication that offers cooking and baking ideas, head there first. You may also be able to locate a few cookbooks that contain Halloween sections. Make this outing into an opportunity to get your kids involved. Your kids are the best source available for off-the-wall ideas. Get their input, and choose a few recipes that you can all make together as a group. Now that you have found the perfect Halloween recipes, it's time to start baking. Don't forget the trimmings. The perfect Halloween is created in the details.